In this video, we listed the 5 best spot welder on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Glitter 801H Spot Welder. The Glitter 801H is a high-performance capacitor energy storage spot welder designed for battery spot welding applications. Manufactured by Digisix in mainland China, this compact and lightweight device, 4 kilograms with packaging, operates on an input voltage range of 100V to 40V and delivers a maximum power of 21 kW and a pulse current of up to 3500 A. With a rated capacity of 19.8 kVA, it is capable of welding materials such as aluminum nickel, up to 0.2 mm thickness, pure nickel, up to 0.3 mm, nickel plated, up to 0.4 mm, and stainless steel, up to 0.5 mm. It features 2 welding modes, aluminum nickel welding with a voltage of 6.0 V and nickel welding with a voltage of 5.2 V, offering versatility for various welding needs. The unit includes a split spot welding pen and a downward pressure spot welding head for precision and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for professional battery assembly tasks. Number 2. AWithZ 90 Spot Welder. The battery spot welding machine is a portable and versatile handheld device designed for spot welding cylindrical batteries such as 18650, 26650, and 36650, as well as mobile phone batteries and other electronic devices. It features an integrated 2-in-1 design with a built-in power supply and welding pen, eliminating the need for additional accessories. The machine offers 90 adjustable power levels to suit various materials, an intuitive 1.3-inch circular LCD color screen, and multiple safety features including overcharge protection, temperature protection, and short-circuit protection. It is constructed with a durable aluminum alloy shell for efficient heat dissipation and includes a rechargeable polymer battery capable of more than 1,500 spot welds on a single charge. The device is equipped with automatic and manual welding modes, a Type-C charging interface, and supports a maximum output current of 880 A. Packaged with essential accessories like nickel-plated sheets, sanding paper, charging cable, and spare needles, it is an ideal tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals working on battery repairs or replacements. Number 3. AWithZ Portable Spot Welder. The battery spot welding machine is a portable, handheld device designed for spot welding cylindrical batteries like 18650, 26650, and 36650, as well as mobile phone batteries and other electronic devices. It features a 2-in-1 design that integrates a built-in power supply and welding pen, eliminating the need for external accessories, making it highly convenient and easy to carry. Equipped with a 1.3-inch circular LCD color screen, the device offers 90 adjustable power levels to suit various materials, allowing for precise and efficient welding. It supports both automatic and manual welding modes, has a durable aluminum alloy shell for heat dissipation, and includes multiple safety features such as overcharge protection, temperature protection, and short-circuit protection. The device is powered via a Type-C charging interface, delivers an output current of up to 880 A, and can operate in temperatures ranging from -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. The package includes essential accessories like nickel-plated sheets, sanding paper, spare welding needles, and a user manual, making it a versatile tool for DIY battery repairs and replacements. Number 4. FNIRSI SWM-10 Spot Welder. The FNIRSI SWM-10 is a portable handheld spot welding machine designed for efficiency, convenience, and versatility. Weighing just 0.56 kilograms with compact dimensions of 155 by 82 by 28 mm, it is lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for on-the-go welding tasks. Powered by a 5000 mAh lithium battery, it offers long-lasting performance and doubles as a power bank. The device features advanced double-pulse spot welding technology for stable and firm welds, supported by an intelligent temperature control system that protects against overheating, low voltage, and short circuits. Its 1.8-inch high-definition LCD color screen provides clear status updates, while customizable settings for preheating, pulse, interval, and connection points enhance precision. Capable of welding nickel, iron, stainless steel, and aluminum sheets up to 0.25 mm thick with a maximum welding current of 1200 A, the SWM-10 is a versatile tool suitable for both professional and DIY projects. Its ergonomic design, safety features, and high performance make it a reliable and portable choice for diverse welding needs. Number 5. Qianli Macaron Max Spot Machine. The Qianli Macaron Max Macaron 2S is a portable spot welding machine designed for battery flex soldering and repair tasks. It features a double pulse adjustment mechanism, offering precision and reliability for various soldering applications. Manufactured in mainland China, the device is branded under Qianli and does not come with any specific certifications. The product is free of high concern chemicals, making it a safer option for users. Compact and efficient, it is ideal for professionals and hobbyists looking for a versatile and portable welding tool.